Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to stream Amazon Prime on Discord. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, you have to open your Google Chrome and open this three dot icon and go to browser settings and search here hardware, and you will find hardware acceleration options. So all you have to need, you have to turn off or you have to disable this hardware acceleration from here, and then you have to go to your Discord and now open that server where you want to stream, and now go to voice channel and click on screen, and now select Amazon Prime Video tab. Make sure to check this share audio tab, then click on share, and here we can see my Amazon Prime Video has been started to streaming on Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.